Good morning, student. Myself, Dr. Rathod. I am working as an associate professor in Department of Botany, Mahatma Phule AC College, Panvel. Okay. So today's our topic is internal thallus structure of lichens. So we'll see the in detail of internal structure of thallus. On the basis of the internal structure of thallus, here there are two types, such as we can see here homomerous and another is a heteromerous. So what about homomerous here? In case of the homomerous thallus, the thallus exhibit a simple structure with little differentiations. Okay. Now another, it consists of loosely arranged fungal hyphae in which algal cells are equally distributed throughout. You can see here images in which both the thallus are involved. Here you can see the mycelial thread-like structure, that is a mycelium, that is a fungal component, while in another, that is a bead-like structure, that is a algal component. For example, here Lepidosium and Columella. So another, on the basis of the thallus here, the TS of lichens thallus, that is a heteromerous. Before we have seen about the homomerous. In case of homomerous, all the thallus are made up of algal component and fungal component. Okay. So now, in case of heteromerous thallus, both the heteromerous thallus are made up of algal component and fungal components. So here, in case of internal structure of thallus, that is a heteromer, it's different types, that is the upper cortex, algal zone, medulla and lower cortex. Now about lower cortex. Okay. So in case of the upper cortex, we will see the first, that is the upper cortex. You can see this is an image of the heteromerous thallus. Here the upper cortex, algal layer, medulla and lower. Okay. So now you can see the upper layer just like epidermis. Okay. In here it forms upper surface of the thallus. It is thick and protected in nature and consists of algal hyphae. Now another, the fungal hyphae are compactly interwoven to produce a tissue-like layer, that is a plankton-chyma. Plankton-chyma is the name of the simple type of tissue, but in case of the fungi there is no permanent tissue. The simple tissue, that is a plankton-chyma without any intracellular spaces. Now what about algal zone? You can see where is present the algal zone. You can see the next layer below the upper cortex. Next zone is that is the algal zone. Okay. So it is a zone beneath the upper cortex and form the algae cells belonging to cyanophyceae and chlorophyceal members. The algae region is a photosynthetic region because of it is a green in nature. Now in case of medulla, where is present medulla? So here these are the upper and algal zone. Below the algal zone, that is a medulla layer is there. Okay. So in case of medulla, it is a central core of the thallus consisting of loosely arranged fungal hyphae with intracellular spaces. Okay. So here this is the image and this is a region of medulla. Actually they are present in between lower and algal zone and they are actually loosely arranged. Next, last layer, that is a lower cortex. They are present below the medulla layer. Here, just like they are present here you can see the lower cortex. It is formed the densely grouped hyphae which runs perpendicular to the surface. Here, the bundles of rhizine arise from lower surface and penetrate to the substratum. So here rhizine, the root-like structure, that is a rhizine. Okay. So this is the images. This is the figures of entire figure of heteromerous thallus. For example, Phyceae and Parmelia. Thank you.